China's robot invasion just got a major upgrade. What started as vacuum cleaners is now targeting your pool, your lawn, and even the skies. Plus, Alibaba just launched an AI that builds entire online stores in 30 minutes. I'm Shrimpy, and this is your China Tech Insider for March 28th. Chinese smart home brand MOVA just unveiled a product lineup that signals a major industry shift. Founded just 2 years ago in 2024, this AI-driven company started with robot vacuums but is now expanding into something much bigger. Their latest Mobius 60 vacuum features an automatic mop replacement system that swaps cleaning modules for different rooms, like using separate mops for your kitchen and bathroom. But here's where it gets wild. MOVA is now building pool cleaning robots, lawn mowing robots with 3D LiDAR navigation, and even an aerial cleaning module called the Pilot 70. They're essentially building a robotics ecosystem that covers water, land, and air. The Floor Scrubber X5 Ultra Steam uses high-temperature steam for sterilization, while the M50 Ultra features a robotic arm to reach corners. This isn't just about vacuums anymore. MOVA is positioning itself as a comprehensive intelligent robotics company, and it shows where Chinese home robotics is heading. Alibaba International just dropped something that could change e-commerce forever. It's called Achio Work, an enterprise-grade AI agent that claims to handle the entire e-commerce workflow autonomously. We're talking store setup, operations, marketing, and even cross-border sourcing. Here's how it works. After users input an idea, the system completes market analysis, product selection, store design, and product listings within 30 minutes. It also handles automated social media posting, ad placement, supplier matching, and even procurement negotiations. The system integrates multiple specialized AI agents including e-commerce experts, online store operators, and dropshipping assistants. Users can also customize individual agents and assemble collaborative AI teams. This launched in overseas markets and represents Alibaba's push to bring AI agents into practical business applications. Westlake Robotics, incubated by China's prestigious Westlake University, just launched Titan 01, a humanoid robot designed to imitate human movements in real time. Unlike many humanoid robots that are still lab prototypes, the university says Titan 01 is being introduced as an actual product with support for broader customization. The robot is powered by something called GAE, which stands for General Action Pre-Training Model. It's positioned as a general motion model for humanoid robots, and the system supports remote operation over networks. Westlake is pitching this robot for education, retail, performance, public security, firefighting, and even mining applications. This represents China's growing push to move humanoid robots from research labs into practical deployment across multiple industries. ByteDance CapCut just launched DreamIna Dance 2.0 across multiple global regions, bringing AI video generation to Africa, South America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. The model is available on CapCut's app, desktop, and web versions, and it supports video generation up to 15 seconds long with 6 different aspect ratios. Users can create content without needing reference images. What's notable is ByteDance's approach to copyright protection. They've implemented visible watermarks and C2PA content certificates to trace AI-generated content, plus proactive monitoring and reporting mechanisms. This comes after ByteDance had to suspend a similar service earlier this month following a Disney copyright dispute. The global rollout suggests they're confident in their new safety measures. Chinese airlines are adding 2,900 flights to Europe as their access to Russian airspace pays massive dividends. According to aviation intelligence firm OAG, Air China is adding 1,120 flights, China Southern 839, and China Eastern 654. The key advantage is that unlike Western airlines banned from Russian airspace due to Ukraine sanctions, Chinese carriers can fly directly through Russia to Europe instead of taking lengthy detours. This saves fuel, offers quicker flights, and critically avoids routing planes over the Middle East during the current conflict. Russia has banned a host of European and North American airlines from its airspace, and Chinese carriers are seizing this competitive edge. New China-Europe routes are being established with schedules covering the period from late March through October. Construction has begun on a major data center in Hong Kong's northern metropolis, with the city's innovation minister calling it a leap forward for national AI development. The Range Hong Kong Sandy Ridge Data Facility cluster spans over 110,000 square meters. Hong Kong's technology secretary said this project will further solidify the city's position as a data connectivity hub connecting China and the world. The facility is explicitly tied to China's National AI Plus initiative, which aims to integrate artificial intelligence deeply into industrial development. The minister emphasized that the cluster will strengthen the deep integration of AI and industrial development. This represents another piece of China's massive AI infrastructure build-out as competition with the US intensifies. From vacuum cleaners to aerial robots, from 30-minute store builders to humanoids that mimic human movement, China's tech sector is moving fast. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's China Tech Insider. I'm Shrimpy. See you next time.